today's important topic. Let's talk about support and resistance. How does it act in share markets, Nifty, Bank Nifty, stocks? Myself, Brijesh Waghani. Welcome to Power Trade, and I am a trainer. So, what is support and resistance? You will say support. कोई भी चीज को अगर आप कोई सपोर्ट लेते हो तो वहां से आप नीचे जाओगे कि ऊपर जाओगे. अगर आप स्टेप चढ़ रहे हो, कोई चीज का आप सपोर्ट ले रहे हो तो ऑफ कोर्स यू विल गो अप, राइट? सेम विद द मार्केट. इफ सर्टेन थिंग्स इज कमिंग टुवर्ड्स द सपोर्ट, कोई भी चीज अगर एक सपोर्ट पे आता है तो आपको समझना है कि ये सपोर्ट है इसका बेस्ट, यहां से मार्केट रिवर्स मार सकता है. वाई दिस सपोर्ट? जितनी बार भी सपोर्ट को वो हिट करेगा उतना वो वीक होते ही जाएगा. व्हाट इज रेजिस्टेंस? रेजिस्टेंस इज वेयर इट विल कम टुवर्ड्स द रेजिस्टेंस एंड वहां से वो नीचे आएगा. So daily you have to mark what is support and what is resistance and trade accordingly. Let's come to the chart. Achha, before coming to the chart, we'll let you know support and resistance are always marked by the trader who is a pro trader, the one who wins. He always mark the support and resistance and is trading. Okay, thank you. Let's come to the chart and we will see how does it works. Thank you.
Okay, let's see the charts. First we will come to what is supports. You can see. Let's come to the point. What is support and resistance? Another fundamental concept, support and resistance, is listed next and shown in the chart. If price breaks below support, then that support level will now act as a resistance. That means अगर ये सपोर्ट को किसी चीज मतलब काइंड शेयर्स ने तोड़ दिया तो अब ये सपोर्ट जो है वो वर्क करेगा एज एन रेजिस्टेंस एंड इट विल टच हियर एंड इट विल गो डाउन. इफ प्राइस ब्रेक्स अबाउट रेजिस्टेंस, दैट मीन्स सेम गोज विद द रेजिस्टेंस. अगर ये रेजिस्टेंस ने किसी शेयर्स को तोड़ा, राइट, तो दिस विल एक्ट एज एन सपोर्ट. सिंपल, कीप इट सिंपल, देन यू कैन अर्न फ्रॉम द मनी. Simple, share market is very simple, but people are making it complicated and it is making more harder. You keep it simple. We will see over here what is support. See, it comes to this is the trend line, right? This support was acting, right? It was coming one, twice, and it was going up. अब इसने तोड़ दिया ये ट्रेंड लाइन में, तो ये जो ट्रेंड लाइन है वो एक्ट करने लगा लाइक एन रेजिस्टेंस, राइट? अब ये दूसरा सपोर्ट सेम को जो दिस इज द रेजिस्टेंस सेम, राइट? चलो वी विल कम टू द चार्ट एंड और पता चलेगा क्या है सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस. सो दिस इज द चार्ट ऑफ निफ्टी. ओके, राइट नाउ इट इज लाइव मार्केट, इट इज गोइंग ऑन. So this is CPR and this is my resistance. It was marked already yesterday that this is our resistance. If it is coming towards this thing, this is approximately, you can mark it and approximately you have to take a shorter side, right? See, it is going from here 15,817 to 15,840. Now this support also broke and now it is acting as a resistance and it broke and it is coming towards 15,825. Now this was acting, okay, this is the previous day's CPR which is a naked figure. I will teach you what is CPR and resistance, what is CPR and pivot points. Okay, now see, you will come tomorrow. See how smoothly it is coming. Okay, it comes towards our resistance. It was acting as a resistance. It does not break. यहाँ से आपने पुट लिया या तो फिर आपने स्ट्रक्चर्स किया, then you can easily take this one. Okay, same goes with C. Very easily. This is the start of 14/6. That means this recently, 2 days, 3 days back. It comes. This was a gap down. Okay. अब यहाँ से वो resist. फर्स्ट कैंडल इट वॉज ग्रीन, इट कम्स टूवर्ड्स द रेजिस्टेंस. उसने ट्राई भी किया ब्रेक करने के लेकिन ब्रेक नहीं कर पाया. इमीडिएटली यू हैव टू टेक अ पुट साइड और शॉर्टर साइड. सी हाउ स्मूथली एंड इजीली इट इज गोइंग फ्रॉम हियर एंड दिस वाज द सपोर्ट, राइट? इट कम्स टूवर्ड्स द सपोर्ट एंड फ्रॉम हियर इट गोज and this support was acting, this resistance was acting as a support and this support broke and this went to here. Very easy. Mark this thing and you can trade it itself. See, easily it comes. It was a gap up. सपोर्ट के पास आया, यहाँ से ऊपर गया, फर्स्ट रेजिस्टेंस के पास गया, सेकंड रेजिस्टेंस को तोड़ने की कोशिश किया, नहीं तोड़ पाया, इमीडिएटली गैप डाउन, वापस नीचे गया एंड इट कम्स टू so you will think this will act on every minute. Yes. So if you go for the 15 minutes, well, let us go for one more thing. See, this is your CPR, this is was our support. It broke this CPR, it was trying to break, it came down, okay. It found the support towards previous day closing. Now we will say क्या है previous day closing क्या है. Previous day closing मतलब जहाँ पे मार्केट क्लोज हुआ था वहाँ पे इन्होंने सपोर्ट लिया, वहाँ से easily उन्होंने ये रेजिस्टेंस तोड़ा and this was acting as a support. So your trade will be here and so you can easily come to it. Right? Let's check. और एक बार यहाँ पे same goes with 960. This was acting as a resistance support. It broke it. It came down. So, and now it was taking support over here. You broke this support. You have to take a trade over here for the longer side, and you have to take a 15, 750 to 18, 15, 800. It was very good. So now this was a resistance. It was trying to close this resistance, but it was not breaking it. So वहाँ से resistance के पास आया, break करने की कोशिश किया, नहीं हुआ, वहाँ से नीचे आया. It was acting as a resistance right now, and now see the big fall. 15,800 से लेके easily 15,625. So this is the support and resistance. So you will ask me कि क्या इस पे ट्रेड ले सकते हैं? Yes, support and resistance पे ट्रेड, naked chart, nothing else. No moving average, no pivot, no CPR, no VWAP, no Bollinger Bands, no this MACD, no RSI, no stochastic RSI, nothing. Only naked support and resistance. Yes, you can go for the moving average if you want. Moving average, this is very good moving average. In day trading, this will be very useful. This is 50 moving average. Okay, we will go for the 20. We will go for the exponential. Now, I will teach you afterwards what it is moving average. Now let us just what is support and resistance, right? Now see. 2 days. Easily you can mark this was a resistance, it broke, and from 30, 15,876, now we will go for the value of the chart. So this is the value of the chart, right? So it took the support from pivot, यहाँ से support लिया, यहाँ से यहाँ गया, resistance के पास आया, double top बनाया हमने और वहाँ से वहाँ फंस गया. So today it is Wednesday. Wednesday हमेशा move up, down दोनों जगह करता है, nose drop दोनों side. Now right now the market is bearish. Let's see. Now it will go and it will take support somewhere 34,990. Now let's see. Let's check करते हैं 34,990 support देता है. So now same goes with yesterday. It took support from previous day closing. It went up. It was taking support over here. Support लिया. एक बार आया, दो बार आया, तीसरी बार आया. So this was a very good support. Gap down. Easily gap down लिया इन्होंने बैंक निफ्टी में, यहाँ से सपोर्ट लिया यहाँ पे. What was here? Okay, we will say what was here. We will go behind. Okay, it took the support over here. So you will see this is Nifty Bank, right? You will see Bank Nifty chart. Okay. It took the support over here, came towards the support. Your buying will be this side or this or this. Take a See, always trade according to fixed time, whether morning, afternoon or mid-afternoon, wherever you like it. Never trade for the full day, otherwise pura account finish. See, this was the resistance. It was a gap up, resistance के पास आया, resistance के पास 2 बार 3 बार गया, नहीं तोड़ पाया, वहाँ से immediately नीचे. So this way you have to trade it. Okay. If anything you want to ask or if you want anything else, what topic should I cover? So just let me know in the comment section. Okay. Thank you very much.